Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Main General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. The Iqtadaras during the Sultanate period were also known as Maliks, Muktis, Mamlat, Mamlatdaras, Mamlatdars or Munias. So here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into the answer. Iqtadaras were also known as Muktis during the Sultanate period. Okay. Muktis were the administrators of the land granted by the sultans, granted by the sultans. Besides, Iqtadar other names of the head of an Iqta was Naib Sultan, Nazim Might or Wali. Okay, so option 2 is the right answer. Now let's see another question. So this is the next question. So let's see what is in it. By whom was the Kulinism system of nobility among Brahmin and Kshatriyas in Bengal started? Whether it is Gopal or Dharmapal or Vijaya Sena or Vallala Sena. Kulinism in Hinduism, caste and marriage rules are said to have been introduced. Caste and marriage rules said to have been introduced by Raja Vallala Sena of Bengal reigned 1158 to 69. The name derives from the Sanskrit word Kulina of good family, which means of good family. Hypergamy or marrying a breed of a lower class marrying a bride of a lower class or lower caste was allowed for the top three castes. Okay, therefore option 4 is the correct answer in it. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.